are things in heaven, Mom.
Just promise me, Mom. Promise me you'll take care.
There are many things in this world that you cannot ever change, no matter how desperately you try.
Life's too short to even care at all.
You're always going to be a second-class citizen.
I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control.
Hey, you don't have to do that.
A little water never hurt anyone. You're not falling for me, are you?
No way!
Wet world aches for a beat of a drum. Whoa. If I could find a way to see this train away to some fortune that I should have found by now.
It's possible that no one will ever be able to tell which one's which.
After that, we became progressively more twisted as we grew up.
What happened, Harry? So which one of you jerks started this? Harvey, are you in any pain?
What are you gonna do now, loser? Hope you can swim!
Harvey!
Short to even care at all.
I did have a hard time separating Kaoru and Hikaru from those two punks. They almost beat them half to death.
Don't take this out on other people. It's disgraceful.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. Stay away from me at school, got it? He no longer has the right to be called a Haninosuka.
If I could find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they said could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this calm zero to come down.
You've gotten so big. Where does the time go? I'm sorry. I made it so hard for you. Don't be afraid to enjoy yourself, all right?
Losing my mind, losing control.
Is this how my son has been wasting his time? You are an embarrassment to the Otori name.
Can you tell which of us is Kaoru and which of us is Hikaru?
Well, I think you're Hikaru.
You guessed wrong.
It's always like this. We're the only ones who can tell the difference. No one will ever be able to win the which one is Hikaru game. And we've known that from the beginning.
But why? Why should anyone else even matter to you? I thought we were your friends! Are we or aren't we?
Hikaru, wait for me!
Please come in. Take a seat. Don't patronize me, you child.
I told him that if he asked Lady Eclair to marry him, I would allow him to see his mother.
Senpai, he wasn't upset with you because of the host club, was he?
Because of the host club?
Your child is having to make amends for the indiscretions of your youth, my dear son.
I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control.
I think it's best you not have any contact with your friends for a while. It'll make it harder for you to leave.
Hey, wait a second! How do he—
They're not real family, Tamaki, so stop playing house.
You have to stay brave, even if it seems like your world is crumbling around you sometimes.
Come on!
Haruhi, go get that idiot.
You grew up without relying on anyone else. Not anymore.
Life's too short to even care at all.
You don't have to be afraid. I'll always be here for you, Haruhi. I promise that you'll never be alone again.
It's much easier to tell the two of you apart now.
No, it isn't. Today, the pink one is Cowdo, and Hikaru's the blue one.
You realize what's happened, Hikaru? Until now, there were only two groups of people. Us and everyone else. But for the first time, someone's crossed into our world.
You idiot! I want you to turn around and start looking for Haruhi right now! What kind of jerk would leave a girl out in a thunderstorm like this by herself? Now you listen to me, Haruhi is terrified of thunder! Whenever she hears it, she gets so scared she can't even move. Why don't you spend less time concentrating on your jealousy and worry about someone else for once?
Haruhi. Sorry. I'm sorry for running off and leaving you. One day Hikaru will realize he wants to take the next step on his own. When that happens, I don't know what I'll do.